Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel Uremijus Mouth, known as the Great Seer of the Sea of the Seer. So this morning, I just come to do justice, as we always do it as we wait for December 2nd. I am here to alert you again, once again, so that you know what the devil that we are fighting against. Now, I was scrolling on Twitter. I saw Emeka Gift sacking this thing, so it sprang my memory. Then I have to realize and recollect. Now, those of you who are listening to me, do you remember when Emeka Gift was accused of stealing money in where he is, in IPOB, that prompted Nnamdi Kanu to relieve him from being in any position in IPOB? Did you remember? How many of you remember? When he was accused of stealing money. So finally, the thieves, Ndoshi, now them they in charge, now them they claim IPOB. In case you have not subscribed to Truth Views TV, go and subscribe to Truth Views TV, subscribe to Remedios TV, both of them on YouTube. Go and subscribe. So, it now made me to understand that these people, these particular individuals, this 21st century Ndohi, this 21st century Ndohi are the people claiming to be IPOB members. And I have to tell you, once a thief is always a thief. If you are found in the position of stealing money, you are always a thief. There is none of them, all of them that are there now claiming to be IPOB members. Even lastly, what made them to sack Chike Doziegi that was sacked in 2022, and Simon Ekpa is a Migate, that Migate in Finland. Simon Ekpa is taller than all of them, including their Chinasa Nwosi. Hello, what do I say? Simon Ekpa is taller than Chinasa Nwosi himself. But that Migate, that in Finland, there is none of them that Simon Ekpa is not taller than. Bring that person and come. All of them, Simon Ekpa is taller than the person. All of them. Now, the person that exposed this, is Nnamdi Kanu. I was going through Twitter and I saw him. This is what he wrote that made me to recollect. This is not a hidden fact, but to most of us, it have escaped from our memory. When this particular criminal was, I'm coming, please. I'm coming. When this particular criminal called Emeka Gift was fingered as a criminal and was sacked for stealing money meant for IPOB, this is what Nnamdi Kanu wrote, please. Worst is that Nnamdi Kanu, before IPOB Nigeria DOS criminal sold him out, sacked the vertically challenged dunderhead Emeka Gift as IPOB Cote d'Ivoire coordinator due to his criminality. Yeah, we do remember our brother. We do remember when he was accused of stealing money, embezzling money meant for IPOB, and he was called a thief. People in Ivory Coast told him to his face that he is a thief, stealing money meant for IPOB. But guess what? After all and all, this particular, according to Obinna Victor Uzaganobi, he said, vertically challenged Dunderhead. This vertically challenged Dunderhead that I don't even know what it means. Igbo Igbo. Omakana Suro Igbo. He sounded so impartious. So I know that he was castigating the criminal. They are the same people looking for Simon. Simon, that shop engine. To the truth remains that Simon is taller than all of them. Then criminality. Oh, Simon is a criminal, raising money. There is none of them that is not being accused of stealing money in IPOB. Oh, government agent. Isaiah Yoruba, among the DOS fighting Simon Eba, is doing Nigerian NIN in Italy. If I'm not mistaken, Italy, right? In Italy, NIN. Person where know him, na him tell me. Person where know where him they do NIN, na him tell me. And if you are that sister that gave me that, or that brother that gave me the report, please reach out to me. Please, I would want to know more about Isaiah Oba NIN business. Please, I would want to know more about Isaiah Oba NIN business. He's a Nigerian agent to look at somebody registering NIN for Nigeria. He's calling somebody a Nigerian agent. Homo criminal. Now, going forward to December 2nd, what you are going to expect more and more because they are restless. Now they are showing you Eastern Security Network. And there is another propaganda which they are doing. Achekatana moche. Na chengu noche. Wait. Achekatana moche. I don't laugh, fire. Imagine this group of non-entities, this group of nobody, telling you, oh, look at it. IPOB shared, what are they calling it? Manure, fertilizer for farmers. And this year, IPOB, crops are going up. People are reaping their crops. They show the manure to you people. Have you people forgotten that we are not pressure group? These are activities of pressure group that have lost their mindsets. I'm telling you the fact. There is nothing like manure. They shout no manure to anybody. That thing is simply, it's just like when Nnamdi Kanu was around, that they told you we share the rice. Hello, are you hearing me? I am about to open can of worm, please. Go to Benjamin Madabubu. When Nnamdi Kanu was around, there was a relief that was shared to people. Are you listening to me? Now, part of the relief that was shared due to COVID-19 was just a mere video. Get the fact correct. Part of the relief that they said that they shared during the COVID-19 was the ones that you see on that video. Oh, we are sharing. That's the only one that was shared. They embezzled it. Go and ask Benjamin Madabubu, what is the rice doing in his place? Do you know Full House was packed in the rice after that shameless video? And full warehouse was packed in Benjamin Madabubu's house. And when we asked, they said it's part of the rice. Look, me, I asked question. The person where I asked for Benjamin Madabubu's compound told me it's part of the rice that was shared during the COVID-19. I said, if here in Ihia is where Ngorogo, Ishiogom is very close to Benjamin Madabubu's house. The people over there never collected any rice. No rice reached them. And we have this larger number stocked in this man's house. That means it's a fraud. Are you getting the point? My own will be saying, "Una no go lie to me." Your lies and deceits can only go to Biafra people that you are lying to, that you are deceiving. You cannot deceive him and Euremijus. You cannot lie to me because I am insider. Ngorogo, Ishiogom is not far from Ihiala, not far from Benjamin Madu's house. Now, if that Ishiogom did not even get a single rice and everybody does not get rice there, and on video, it was showed people collecting rice and there, nobody gets a single rice. And listen to me, it was not IPOB members that the relief materials goes to. It goes to the Biafra people. It goes to the Biafra people, not IPOB members, because they will come and tell you, the relief materials was meant for IPOB members. It was a lie. It was meant for Biafra people, not IPOB members. Because IPOB is a freedom movement covering everyone. Now, they have come again with lies. Another Master Simon is showing you what he is doing. You are showing us agriculture. Now, how much is a bag of rice or a bag of gari? Before you people claim that you people share the manure, and go and ask how much is penta of gari now, times 5. And people are shamelessly showing you that they share the manure, we are reaping bomber harvest. Are you not using your brain? Penta of garini is times 5 the price of it in the market. If they share the manure and they share everything and Biafra people are reaping bumper harvest, the price of rice is supposed to go down. The price of gari is supposed to go down. Then they will tell us, oh, this is what they did. They pressed the price to go down. But you are buying the price times 10 or times 5. Of what you used to buy before. And some group of criminals are showing you video that they share the manure, that they share this. Go and ask them, of what gain is the manure that you shared when it cannot even affect the price of one pentagari within the area? They are lying to your people. I am a man of religious. The reason why they fear my program is that I am fearless. I tell you that truth which you are afraid of. Simon Ekpa is preparing December 2nd for Biafra people. A day that Biafra will be declared. A day that will give Biafra people the legitimacy to partake in the international politics. They will be going to international politics to seek for recognition. These people are here talking rubbish. A day that have already been recognized by New York Times, being published, all eyes on Biafra agitation. New York Times. And these people are here telling you, oh, look at us, we shout manure, look at it. And they even did one criminality. Go and look at the video of rice that they told you that they share. Go and ask your family how many of them get that rice. Apart from the video, this scam, I don't know insider now. You not go call me new person in IPOB. I am an insider. Apart from the scam of making the video, hey, look at the rice that we are sharing. Then show us the family that get that rice. Let us go around there to investigate how many people in that village get the rice. And they shamelessly, they are showing you, they put you 4 bags. They tell, this is for the local government. In my local government, 4 bags of a year. Local government, 4 bags. These people are worse, even they are worse than Nigerian politicians, the criminals. They collect money from Nigerian government to state manage all these things that you are seeing. Why Simon Ekpa? I castigate them because I castigate them that you should show us your results, what you are doing. They went to the showing video of famine. Are we doing freedom or are we doing famine? Are we doing freedom or are we doing famine? For matter sake, you know they listen to me here. After listening to me, they go on to publish rubbish because they said anything that I said here is Prime Minister that listens. If you watch me and 20 people, they watch me. 20 people, they are afraid of 20 people watching him and Oremi Juice. They are afraid of 20 people watching him and Oremi Juice. Because even if not one person, that truth goes a long way. Are you listening? At the end of the day, the views here are the views. Oh my God. They are afraid. So after I castigate them, show Biafra people what you are doing. A freedom movement shows and campaign with what they are doing and not carrying propaganda, lies and deceit. So they went and swung into action. They are showing you the pictures of Eastern Security Network. Imaginating giving pictures. Oh, the last time that the Ejima was shown, the Ejima said that all of them have run away. But that was in Ejima's quarter. Because they are in Ebubag, they are in this. When you hear Eastern Security Network, you will talk about Ebubag, Ndoshi. I am Emmanuel Religious, one of it very kind. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. That is the more reason why they are afraid of Emmanuel Religious. Papa is riding on. Odogu Victor, Papa is riding on. Papa is riding. So, they now started showing you Eastern Security Network. Oh, look at them, they carry gun. Look at them, the pride of to capital. They started showing you, oh, look at bomber harvest. Look at bomber harvest. Bomber harvest. Like never before in the Biafra territory. Go and ask them. This lies and deceit that they are selling to you people. You people are educated people. How are you that daft of looking at this Yahoo people selling lies to you? Go and ask them, how much is a penta of Gary? Before you people said you share the many things, or you share the manu, or you share this, how much is a penta of Gary? And after you share what you shared, how much is the penta of Gary? Times 5. Then of what use to the Biafra people, to the lies that you are telling them that you share you share the you see that this group of criminals, Imavi, thank you for sharing. Everyone should share the program, please. It is Imavi play. Everyone should share the program. Then go and ask them of what use is the share of what they told you that they share. Criminals. Emeka Gift. When Nnamdi Kanu was around. And it baffles me to see that the people that Nnamdi Kanu side are the ones claiming to be more lovers of Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu suspended Emeka Gift for criminality, for stealing IPOB money, verified and found IPOB money in his account. Then his answer then was he will not talk, because if he talk, people are not going to understand him. He will leave it to God. That was his answer. That they told him that they found IPOB money in your possession, in your bank account. You are withdrawing IPOB money, collecting money and transferring to your accounts. They want to remain there. Little wonder how they behave like Agwe Birishi against Simon. Because they are criminals. Retired criminals at that matter. Are some retired? They are born again criminals. Whatever you hear them calling Simon, that is what they are. Their own is verified. Emeka Gift, did you steal Cote d'Ivoire money? The answer is yes. It was confirmed by Nnamdi Kanu on Radio Biafra that Emeka Gift stole our money and he suspended him on Radio Biafra. Am I right or wrong? The Oko that is calling somebody Bill Gates. Go and check all of them calling Simon, that Bill Gates, that man that in Finland. Simon is taller than all of them. There is another propaganda that they have even brought recently. Did you know when Shetima wear that clothes that he wear, that everybody was mimicking Shetima, and our prime minister mimicked Shetima? They brought the picture and they said, look at the dressing of somebody that they said that he is Igbo. They brought the picture. This group of liars and deceivers always lying to deceive Biafra people, brought the picture of everyone that mimicked the Shetima. Me too, I mimicked the Shetima. The picture is there. Everyone mimicked the Shetima. They went and dug the picture of Simon where he mimicked the Shetima because it was a global trend. Everyone was saying, look at the vice president. So they were mimicking Shetima. Some even put cutlass in their own clothes to make it more comic. Prime Minister mimicked him by dressing with an oversized coat, with long ties and even shoe. You know, they use the shoe to wear suits. So Prime Minister Simon Ekpa mimicked the Shetima. They went and brought that picture and they said, look at his dressing. Does this dressing look like Igbo? Shameless people. Are you people not ashamed? Retired Yahoo Plus. Ndoshi. I have told Biafra people, and I have continued to tell you, anyone who cannot tell you the truth, anyone whose intention is to deceive you always, can never lead you. Anyone whose intention is always to lie and deceive you to distort the facts, can never be better. That person can never tell you the truth. That person can never show you the way. Because in the person's life, what is filled there is lies, distorting of information, deceiving Biafra people, and there always. That person can never show you the way. If you wish to follow somebody who cannot deceive you. Follow somebody who cannot lie to you. Follow somebody who does not lie to you. Why must I follow somebody who will always lie to me, who will always deceive me, who will always make me to argue like a moron, and you keep on following them? Does that make any point to you? I am a man Jews, one of you very kind. I preach nothing but the undiluted facts and undiluted truths. I preach nothing but the undiluted truths. You people are following, taking the words of Mama and Yogiri. Who told you people? You have lied our people. We will deal with you and we will deal with you. Today he is singing the praises of Opus Adema. These are the people that you follow. People of questionable character. You follow people, these criminals who say, oh, they don't vote. We are not going to vote today. They are telling you, oh, if we do not vote now, the US are going to call us terrorists. People that are confused, that doesn't even know the way, that cannot even stand on their own. In Igbo, if you cannot stand on your leg, if you speak one word today, tomorrow you change, you are a chameleon. That is the reason why we call Yoruba people chameleon. These people, Yoruba people, are better than them because Yoruba people have the atom of sincerity sometimes in them. But these ones, they change every minute of the day. Now they have entered into agriculture. How much is when hunger is biting people in Biafra land? These people are telling you, hey, we entered into agriculture. Bumper harvest is a pure deceit. It is a pure criminality to deceive all of you. That video is just like the videos that they made when Onyendu was around. That rice that they told you that they shared. They went and shared the video. That one, only that one that you see in the video that they shared that time, that's the only rice that they shared. They did not share any rice anywhere. They shared that one for videoing's sake. That's the only rice. And they pack and share the remaining one among themselves. Don't even argue. Don't even say another person said, I am the one that said it. I saw the bags of rice being packed in Benjamin Madogu's house. It was filled one house. And I asked, rice in Kosi, they said that the rice was part of the rice ashara during COVID-19. During COVID-19, and there are two filled house. Then what is the difference between you and Nigerian politician? Ndoshi. Ndị oshi rice MMK butere ka eke ụmụ be anyị ha buru ibe ya embezzle, hungry, sheepish looking individual. Ndị oshi rice, they are the ones telling you that in Finland, no how much oshi rice. Go and ask Benjamin, did you see oshi rice yesterday for relief? For people's relief, COVID-19 relief, did you sow the oshi rice? Did you pack it in your house? Did you pack it in your house? They are afraid now that their nonsense coat is not working. They said, no, Emmanuel, let me juice. I said to you and did you know? Because on an oath, you know the work. On an oath is very useless. Just like a useless tissue. Those days I will be there when I go to boast. Did you know who I am? And the time when I go to come when I told you why you're going to Ghana. All is to intimidate people. Okay, look at 1,000 teeth is nobody in Austria. My brother, I agree with you. 1,000 teeth is nobody in Austria. Because that 1,000 teeth, na woman marry am for Austria. And the woman will marry am for Austria. According to the information that was given to me. According to the informations. Now woman marry that he is just popular on social media, being known to be on social media. Somebody that Facebook banned because of drugs. You can imagine, person where Facebook they smell drug from his mouth. If he they broadcast Facebook, they smell drugs. Go and type his name on Facebook and see the reason why Facebook buy him. They said they buy him because of drugs. I am Emmanuel Ojukwu. This very program is bent on your hand to share to many platforms. And make sure that you subscribe to Remigious TV on YouTube. Subscribe to it. Remigious TV is just REMIJIOS. Space TV. Very simple. Remigious TV. Subscribe to it. And subscribe to Truth Views TV, that Truth Views TV that you people we are looking for. Type Truth Views TV. It is back. Truth Views TV. Subscribe. So people with questionable characters, people who does not even have a name, people who are retired criminals, they are the ones. Now, I have challenged these particular people. PM as Simon Eba is telling the Afro people what they need to see. And let me say something again. If you are here on this page listening to me, and you are listening to that criminal called Mazidibia that is teaching you people nonsense, all the things that, by the way, he just told you people that your root is in India. India, if you are here listening to that Ugugu, called Mazidibia, go and have a rethink. That guy is a paid agent and will end up being Ayakoya Duru Kanduru Nalibu very soon for the nonsense that he is teaching people. And I blame the useless king. In case of your ancestral king, you are very useless. In Alibu, that king is very useless because it is in your face that he is teaching the people that you are. The people that you are governing, the people that you claim that you are governing, it is in your face that he is teaching them that rubbish, and you are still there claiming to be a king. You are a very useless and foolish king who cannot protect your own heritage. You can't even protect the people that you claim that you are governing. Great Ikemba, you are welcome. The Ohaneze Ndigbo president is giving morning sermon and you are coming late. What says the time now? My Secretary General, this is the Secretary General of Ohaneze. Every Ohaneze is a counterfeit. I am now the new Ohaneze leader. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Take the nonsense that they are telling you, Ohanese, I am the new Ohanese leader, and there is no leader anywhere. People that doesn't even know their roots. People that came from India. When in town, when you go to a Bulgard, there are inscriptions, a Jewish handwriting that was written there, that was written by their forefathers. The people that explained that handwriting to be their handwriting is the Israelis. They came and they could read what was written there. And somebody, after many years, come back to tell you that, oh, you now come from India. If you listen to that idiot called, what is his name again? In case na your woman is Libya. Very, very useless fellow. Very, very useless fellow. Those who claiming to be in charge of some sorts of spiritual power that doesn't even see behind or between their nostrils. Very, very useless fellow. I am a man who religiously and I will end those of criminality in our league. Those of criminality. Oshia career na league. Oshi career na league. I was born to do this and to end your reigns as criminals that your people are. As criminals that your people are. Let me continue this holy preaching of Elohim Chukwu Okukabiyama, the creator of heaven and earth. For it is only Chukwu Okukabiyama that called me to this very preaching. I'm not man. I'm not man. Not man at all. Not man. There is one useless teaching that he did very soon. Just recently. I listened to that teaching. I said, he said that Ekwensu is equivalent of Chineke. Ekwensu is equivalent of Chineke. I listened to that useless teaching. In writing, it is on Twitter. I listened to that. I said, "Oh, look at this guy, Ara Kaona." Ekwensu is a great Igbo deity. Ekwensu is not Satan. And Ekwensu is not Chineke. Ekwensu on its own is another god of war, Nali. It is a war god being used. Go and do your findings. Some of you have elders in your village. Go and do your findings. Not listening to one particular criminal telling you, teaching rubbish. I told him, he stand against Nnamdi Kanu and the Prime Minister have destroyed his reputation. That guy is just ordinary criminal. Who told the Biafra people, look at the way that poverty is biting our own people and we are looking for freedom. This guy have the audacity to tell people to contribute money so that he will build history. History school. Every criminal just comes to teach you rubbish. Once you help the person, they will tell you contribute money. All the scam on the very soon I will start teaching you people. I will start teaching you people. And if you help me, I will tell you bring money. I want to build a platoon for you people. I want to build a historical edifice of tradition for you people. When in town, Nigeria, to build a history school in Nigeria is a crime. Because even in they abhor it. They are going to come after you once you're there. Once you're there, just go and try and come back and take me later. Once you're there, they are going to come after you. And somebody wants to collect your money. In two or in turn, all these people masquerading, including their DOS. Now, anybody who supports DOS, do you remember those days that the North, us. Don't you see, they told Simon, can't you see that DOS are civil? The people in charge of IPOB now are civil. Anytime, and imagine Nnamdi Kanu swears, he said, anytime your enemies are praising you, you are gone. And they were telling Master Simon Eba then, can't you see that the DOS are civil? Can't you see the way that they are pursuing their own freedom? Scamming the people of Biafra, telling them lies, when in turn Simon Eba is giving us. If you go to Google now, search for Biafra, they will tell you that all eyes on December 2nd. Google have already recognized December 2nd. Google search engine have already recognized it. And some people are coming to tell you, oh, Eastern Security Network impact of what use? If Eastern Security Network does not fight for the guerrilla warfare, of what use is it? And there is nothing like called Eastern Security Network. Now, they have been turned into Biafra Liberation Army, and I will prove it to you. True to God who made me and you. They found this arms supplier to this DMS, called me in an Oremi juice. When he was preaching to me, for me to join them, I hit this point to this man. I told him why I was on the ground. I found out that they created some group in Ebonyi State against Nnamdi Kanu. And this Nnamdi Kanu was shouting, who was creating this group? This is the Biafran army now that they are telling you, oh, they will bring the video of Biafran army now, and they will show you the voice of Nnamdi Kanu. Anybody that is creating Biafran army is a criminal. This and that. If we catch you, haven't you heard about it? Let me shock you. The people that went to create the Biafran army to distort Nnamdi Kanu then was the DOS criminals. They were the people that created the Biafran army. Now, part of them called me then. If I am lying, may I not see tomorrow. Part of them called me then, preaching to me that they, not really that they are with Nnamdi Kanu, but they have a sponsor that wants to foster Biafra to come. That I should go, which state do I come from? I said Imo State. They said that they are going to make me commander general of Imo State. But if I do not choose to be it, I should choose anything that I want to be, that they are going to allocate big money to me to control my states. Before God and man, if I'm lying, may I not see tomorrow. Then Onyendu was around them. And I told them, they said that they were not against Onyendu, but you know, their words, you know. I told them, if you are there to get Biafra, may you succeed. But if you are there to deceive our people, may the gods of the land crush you. And I am not going to be part of anybody. I am for Nnamdi Kanu, and I will keep on supporting Nnamdi Kanu. They called me. If I am lying, may I never see tomorrow. But today they are bringing that same video to tell you, oh, Mazi, look at it. Nnamdi Kanu cost Biafran army that they themselves created when Onyendu was around. And they were looking for people, because then I was very vocal on social media. Too vocal that all my thoughts enter everywhere. They wanted me to be part of that rubbish. And I said no. I said no. That I cannot go and ask all of them. I said no, I cannot. Today they are the ones putting the voice of Nnamdi Kanu causing cause on the criminals that they created. And attributing it to Master Simon Eba, saying, oh, can't you see, Biafran army that they created then, he has created it then, but in reality, it was you people. In reality, it was you people. Thank you, Odogu Victor. People that follow me for a very long time that I have said things knows that I have said it. In reality, it was you people that created it. You are there speaking rubbish. Master Simon Epa is showing people the way. Can't you see the way that he's showing people? Even a blind man knows that this man knows the way. Even a blind man knows that this man, Master Simon Epa, knows the way. Because he is showing people the way with assurance. You are there gossiping. Eba na to ase ahodi. As if height is the what are they calling it? Height about the standard of getting freedom. But in reality, over on height of count including Chinasa Nwosi. What do I say? Including Chinasa Nwosi. Imagine Benjamin Mmadụ sokwa akpọ nwakụda. Benjamin makwa ebe ị na-eru. If you call Maazị Simon Ekpa nwakụda, ịmakwa ọgụlọ ya atị ka mgbe ebe ị nọ. Nwakụda in Finland na-ele mkpọrọ ọgụ. Onye mụ ụgụlọ ya atị ebe ọ nọ. Ishiaki nke zuru oshi, the thief, the criminal in Côte d'Ivoire. In Côte d'Ivoire, that thief was saying, the criminal, the bigot, imagine all the oshi that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu have to say on Radio Biafra na Emeka Gift to Zuonoshi. Did he steal our money? The answer is yes. He embezzled Ivory Coast money, which warrants his suspension, which was confirmed by Maazị Nnamdi Kanu himself. And Emeka Gift to defense then was like, oh, I'm not going to say anything. I will leave it to God. Because even if I said anything, nobody will understand me. I will leave it to God. Oyoshi. Those are the people coming to tell you, oh, they love Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. As nwa nwaanyị ogiri, ọkpọ ntụ nwoke uru agụ dịịdị. Nke ji ntu akpọkachi wọọlụ niile, ike ndị mmadụ na-esizi mmiri. Everyone that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu sack love him more than the people that he did not sack. Can you imagine that? Asakro Okomtunu he loved Maazị. Now he is the president of Osadema. Ndara. Asaka Chinasa Nwosi. Nke si na ya ọbụ akwụna nwaanyị uche nwa nke came to say, oh, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asked me about Agụna-Echemba, Asak. And you call that one wife. It's just like this thing happening in Equatorial Guinea. When I still say all their top leaders, somebody like all their top leaders' wife. Starting from the sister of the president's sister, down to all of them. Not all of them. One person. Not all of them. Amen. Uche. Oh, ihe a na-eme uche nwa bingo. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ji wee saka Chinasa Nwosi. She came to say, hey, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asked me about Agụna-Echemba. Onye ọsaka. And before you, the word that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu sacked, you know that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu sacked this very person. She came to tell you, oh, it's not sacking. Oh, it's not sacking, it's change of counsel. Oh, you call Ejiofor. Since then, go and stand in the court. Ejiofor cannot. Uchechi, when you go to the court, Uchechi cannot. Ndoshi, they thought that somehow they will eye Maazị Nnamdi Kanu for them to remain relevant. If you people, if anything happened to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, I bone do chin and all. Just go there and be playing. Your own, they play. Nakayoka. Uchechi is in Nakayoka. All of them don't see the evidence in Equatorial Guinea. The wife of chief of defense staff, the police commissioner, his uncle's wife, pregnant wife, his younger brother's wife. That is what they are doing to this Uchechi bingo. That is what they did to Uchechi bingo. That is the reason why she have the audacity to go to Abuja and snap picture with that sack and then refuse to go to her husband at the court. She went on 16 and on 17 was open court. She refused to go and stand for her husband. Ndi Jabrata DOS Nigerian Limited. What Simon Ekpa, Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in Exile, Jiwega Fondine, is that he stands for Biafra people. He defends Biafra people. With evidence, what do you stand for? What do you defend? Politicians. Anytime I will sit at home, hey, Simon Ekpa have come again. Why is he declaring sit at home? Oh, he's not supposed. Economy. And where they are singing economy, there is no road connecting you from Anambra to Enugu. All the roads here are dilapidated. Economy. Why they are singing economy? There is no... The one useless Nigeria that Bianca Ojukwu have gone to disgrace her forefathers. This is the same thing like Uchechi, like Bianca Ojukwu. This was the very wife, when her husband was alive, opened the leg for Femi Fani-Kayode. Femi Fani-Kayode said it himself. Did she say anything? Did she say anything? She did not say anything. Femi Fani-Kayode used it to mock the Igbos. That imagine, the wife of this thing, Ainakam. I can never forget that yabbing that Femi Fani-Kayode yabbed the Igbos. Till today, have she put up a defense that they know Nakam? Imagine the useless woman going to court. And then we say here, oh, Bianca Ojukwu, hey! Fear women! I will stop here, Jare. Not all women, Sha. We have virtuous women. And we have outstanding women. Not all women at all. But most especially the women where una go fear na those ones where they carry Bible. Una never hear say in Equatorial Guinea, that man where knacks, even knack him pastor wife. Like different church where he don't go, he knack the wife of the pastors. So why the man of God was busy scamming him his money? He was busy eyeing the wife. Too many churches where you go, they knack the pastor wife. Inside that sex tape that leak, pastor wife, they collect them. And then they are busy doing the same thing they are doing with this Bianca. That, oh, give her minister. Bianca, you too good. Come and collect minister. Ndara. Uchechi bingo. Very soon now, she's working her own minister. Very soon now. Odogu Victor said, my wife's name is Uchechi And I am afraid of that name, Uchechi. Fear women. Very soon now, you go here say, hey, the wife of President Nnamdi Kanu, they want to give her minister of, as she dey tell una say, economy. Maybe minister of economic affairs. Ndara. Ekwemọkụ a ma agba ka m were bel kụchichie ụlọ ntị n'ihu ka enwe na ma ọ na-amachighị azụ maka mmakpa ahụ egburu agwọ. I hope you learned something in the preaching of today. Please go and subscribe to Remigius TV on YouTube. The Remigius there is Remigius, Remigius space TV. Go and subscribe. Then subscribe to Truth Views TV. Let us do this. From me from here, with the love in my heart, I say good morning from here.